पीछे के जो पीछे सर साथ ही रहेंगे ना सर।
Good afternoon everyone. Actually, thank you all media persons for coming this very important launch of CPCB 4 Plus of Mahindra and Mahindra Limited Powerol division. It is I'm very happy to say that Mahindra is very pioneer in the genset category and we are number 2 in the genset industry in the India. And we have launched our gensets last year and this is the process of launching each and every city. This is very important. Today in Jammu and Kashmir, Jammu, we are launching CPCB 4 Plus gensets. And along with us, Mr. Swapan Grover is there. He is the Director MD for the GSP Power Products. And along with Mukesh Malhotra, is the state in charge. And Lalit ji is also there, President for Bari Brahma Industrial Association. As I want to tell you everyone actually that now the government of India through Ministry of Environment and Forest, it has regulated CPCB 4 Plus from July 23, but it is mandate from July 24. So now all over the India, every diesel genset is now with CPCB 4 Plus, and Mahindra is come up with the new technologies. All engines are CRDI. This is along with there is a one called like urea tank as well as DOC, SCR. This is called treatment plant, is fitted like this. Like in our BX6 vehicles, we have urea tank to reduce the pollution. If you compare from CPCB2 to CPCB4, there is almost 90 and more than 90% reduction of the particulate matters, oxides of nitrogen, hydrocarbons in this actually. This is important as a company, as an environment. This is our duty to control the pollutants in the environment and give the latest technology gensets to the customers for the benefit. I just tell to invite.
मैं स्वपन ग्रोवर मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर जीएसपी पावर प्रोजेक्ट्स. आई एम ऑथराइज्ड ओईएम फॉर महिंद्रा पावरवॉल जेनसेट्स. हमारा प्लांट बाड़ी ब्रह्मना में है जहाँ पे हम ये जेनसेट्स बना रहे हैं. इस टेक्नोलॉजी के बारे में मैं ये कहना चाहूँगा कि इट इज़ रियली वेरी गुड जो गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने स्टेप लिया है for the environment, seeing the pollution levels which are increasing every day. This will really help in reducing that. And it's a new product, fuel efficient. Fuel efficiency has increased by 25-30% because सारे engines अब electronic हो गए हैं, सारे electronic governing है इनके अंदर. So it will be really great benefit for the people who will be buying this for their industries, homes, हॉस्पिटल्स. आपको पता ही है जेनसेट्स तो आजकल हर जगह ही मैंडेटरी हो गया है. पावर आउटेज तो बिल्कुल भी अपना कुछ पॉसिबल ही नहीं है कि बिना जेनसेट के चल पाए.
और अच्छी बात यह है कि महिंद्रा सर्विस में भी काफ़ी अग्रणी है. वी हैव मोर देन 200 सर्विस डीलर्स अक्रॉस इंडिया. और अच्छी बात है जम्मू कश्मीर में हमारा जम्मू में ही मैन्युफैक्चरिंग प्लांट है और सर्विस सेटअप है. वी हैव 2 सर्विस डीलर इन जम्मू to provide prompt services to the customer actually. So we are committed to customer with the new technology, all our electronic engines, CRDI engines with the latest technology for the customer and for environment friendly.